Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many developers face when dealing with code signing certificates on USB tokens. The issue at hand is whether it's possible to reuse the same USB token for new certificates from Sectago or other providers, without the need to go through the hassle of obtaining a new token each time. Additionally, we'll explore if formatting the USB token is necessary and any limitations or compatibility concerns to be aware of. In the solution provided, it's highlighted that the ability to store new certificates on the same USB token depends on the token itself and how the provider has configured it. It's mentioned that the management key for the token may not need to be changed, making it fully writable for new certificates. Specific examples, like the SafeNet e-token 5110, are given where the management key is all zeros, allowing the token to be used as desired. It's important to note that different manufacturers and models may have varying requirements for storing new certificates. Moving on to the process of adding a new certificate, it's mentioned that formatting the USB token may not be necessary as long as the management key is known. Tokens from different manufacturers may behave differently, with models like YubiKeys or SafeNet e-tokens able to hold multiple certificates simultaneously. Token storage capacity is also discussed, with tokens storing the entire certificate and key internally, having limits in terms of slots or kilobytes. Providers' compatibility is emphasized, as each token's firmware supports specific algorithms for signing within the token. In summary, we've explored the possibility of storing new certificates on the same USB token, the need for formatting, limitations in token storage capacity, and compatibility with different providers. With the right knowledge about the token and its configuration, developers can efficiently manage their certificates without unnecessary hassle. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, keeping your tokens in check keeps the coding woes away.